See, Opal loves her. Oops, she left. Opal loves her new branch. Perch. I filled it with food. I'm gonna switch it to water as soon as you figure out how to flip that. Oops, why can I? Oh, there you go. Hey guys. Elvis loves his new toy. Skittles is a bit overwhelmed. They've got 3 perches, 2 toys, and a ladder. Really doesn't seem like much. Doesn't really sound like much, but looks crowded from this angle, but this angle it seems less crowded, but that's only because there's a ladder right down the middle. And because I put that perch in a new position. But look, he loves it! And that toy is a bit larger than what they're used to, but hey, he loves it.